Today we will be taking a close look at this metallic purple Ramone right here. Now the reason why I call this a metallic purple Ramone is because, well, basically he is a fake version of Ramone, as we can see via the base here, made in China. For some reason everything is flipped, like this side is easy to read and then you got to flip it over to read at this side. That's why I got so confused of flipping it so many times. But yeah, this here is a fake Ramone, but the regular version of purple Ramone is here. We also got a Thailand variant of him, and the purple is a way much different colour. So I guess without further ado, let's start off this comparison. So this is the Thailand version and this is the metallic purple Ramone, is what I'm calling in this video. You can see the expression is different, which is nice to see. The smile on the metallic version isn't filled in. We got the usual decals on the front there, but the hood is different. Even the glare from my phone is showing that this one is very much more of a darker purple than this one. It's weird. Would you call it a metallic purple Ramone, or would you just call it a dark purple Ramone? Like, I know that's a colour, but yeah. The eye colour, speaking of colours, the eye colour is also different. Whereas this one, the eye colour is green, whereas the Thailand one is blue. And, you know, they're all blue on the other versions as well. On the back, we can see the hood here, or the window, rear window. Whereas the Thailand one has that radiator spring logo there, as we can see. Whereas this one, this is just straight up, you know, plain window. There is the same decal, not too much different there. Even though it is a fake, it does a really good job. On the side, you can see the rims are different because they don't have the, you know, low rider wheels. Whereas this one, like that one doesn't, this one does. Again, the flames are in the same places. I love the bit at the back here. Like, instead of putting that decal on, they put it more vibrant. Onto the back now. The fake one has a weird license plate where it's just like it's drawn in, whereas the Thailand one has it clearly visible. Like, that is like really weird to say, but low and slow. And it still says low and slow, still spelt correctly. Yeah, they're the two bases. There are a few other China versions to compare him to. This is the Precision Series Ramone. Again, pretty nice stuff. Nothing too special. A quick 360 there. Here is another one from China, which is slightly different colour. This is more of a light dark purple, if that makes sense. See the sides. There is also this Ramone, which I guess is more closer to it. So if I try and get all three in shot, won't be easy. But yeah, these are three different colours of Ramone. In person, they look way much more different, these two, but on camera it probably shows up the same. Yeah, this one is I think that's a 2007 release, and then this one is a Thailand version. Yep, the original Thailand from 2006. So they are slightly different. Anyways, 4 minutes is long enough on this factory custom Ramone. What do you think of it? What would you call it? I will call it a metallic purple Ramone, just because it looks way much more different to any other Ramone. Yeah, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. Until the next video, peace everybody.